Um, if you print with null value,
Huh?
it will display null value.
Okay, good. And what about marks?
Max 0 value.
Why? Why 0 in case of marks and why null in case of
Oh, default value, right?
yes, you are correct, but why? Why 0 in case of marks and why null in case of name?
Could you explain me?
See, in case of primitive data type, okay, default value is 0
Yes.
for int. Okay. And in case of non-primitive data type, I should write non-primitive data type default value is null. Okay.
Yes.
If I make it float, or if I make it double, let's see what happens.
Yes. But you question me why it is 0 or now.
Yeah, this is the default value. Means in case of primitive data type, it will be 0. Okay. In case of non-primitive data type, it will be null. It is the behavior of uh, Java.
Nothing.
See here. In case of, you understood that point, what I told?
Not yet.
Huh?
I didn't.
See, in case of primitive data type, the default value will be 0 for integer kind of data type. For int, for double, for float, the default for integer default value will be 0. For float and double, default value will be 0.0.
Yeah.
In case of character, okay, the default value will be empty.
Yeah.
See, this is empty. Can you
Yes.
see this?
Yes.
Okay. So in character is a kind of default value will be empty.
Mm-hmm.
Means one space. I should say space.
Yeah.
Okay. तुम्हारे फोन पे okay. Okay.
But you asked me why default value of string is null.
Because that is non-primitive data type. It is the behavior or property of Java.
Yes.
Means they have set it by default as null.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, I see.
Okay. Objects. Object is an instance of a class, correct?
Yes.
It has a state and behavior. Means each object will have a value and the method to be called on.
Mm-hmm. Yes.
It the state depicts the data or variable. Means state means the data of variables. Behavior depicts the operations or methods on that instance.
Yes.
Okay. So suppose I have a method like okay. So my method is get increased marks. Okay.
Yes.
So it will return marks plus 2. Okay. So I can call on like s1 dot get increased marks. So initially I am not setting any marks. So by default the marks will be 0 and I'm just printing increased marks. So marks will be 0 plus 2, 2.
Yes.
The marks is 2.
Yes, I see.
Correct?
Yes.
If I say dot marks equal to suppose 60, now my marks will be
62.
good. Okay.
Yes.
So means what I wanted to tell you that we have a method on each object. Correct? We can call the method on each object. Whatever the method that we have defined in the class, we can call them on the object.
Yes.
S1 dot get increased marks.
Okay.
Okay?
Yes.
Okay. So that is why it is saying that behavior depicts the operations on that instance.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. To create an object, we use new keyword.
Yes.